we're going to be doing a demonstration on how to change and install your spare tire. To start, whenever you're putting your spare tire on, you want to get to a flat, as stable as possible area. Obviously your best position to be in would be on a concrete level area, and you'll want to put the car in park. If possible, use the emergency brake. If you go to the rear of your vehicle, the spare tire will be located in the trunk area along with the jack. Every manufacturer has some different specifics as far as how their jack operates. If you refer to the instructions that are provided on the spare tire or jack cover, we'll go through that for you. You want to place the jack between the two tires, closer to the tire that you're changing, and get it to a stable part of the body, preferably a subframe if you can see that far. You'll jack the vehicle up, get it high in that area, and basically just enough to get the tire all the way off the ground. You will then at that point use the factory lug key if possible and remove the lug nuts. Once you get the lug nuts off, you can pull your tire off. You will then mount on your spare and then reinstall the lug nuts, tightening as tight as you physically can. Once you have your spare tire installed, go ahead and tighten the lug nuts down. Lower your vehicle down to the ground. And go back and tighten the lug nuts on the spare tire as tight as you can. At that point you can take the jack and the tire you removed and put them in the trunk or storage area, and you should be good to get back on the road. Keep in mind, every manufacturer has a different spare tire. Make sure that you follow the instructions in the owner's manual for top speed and also the distance that you can drive on that spare tire, so that you don't end up wearing the tire down and having a blowout or anything like that. Get to a safe area and get your other tire repaired and reinstalled. And that's how you're going to get your spare tire installed. Hopefully nobody ever has to deal with this situation, but reference this video whenever you need to. You can catch it on YouTube and watch it while you're doing it.